Yo, what's up everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can register your Netspend card. So by registering your Netspend card, you're going to get some more features unlocked. So if you want to get like the full feature unlocked and full access to all the service provided for Netspend card user, then you guys can register for it online, and then you can take the advantage of Netspend's card full service. All right, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to do that. And what services you're going to receive, I'm going to be telling you in the later part of this video, because first I'm going to be telling you guys how you guys can register your card online. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel one step for future videos like this. And let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to search for Netspend, Netspend. Once you search for it, over here you want to write card activation. Once you search for Netspend card activation, you can see the first option over here where it says activate your card. So activating your card is also called registering your card, but like registering for an account and registering a card is different. Registering your account means you're creating a Netspend account, but registering your card actually means you're registering your card on the online server of Netspend. And what registering your card on your online server of Netspend is going to allow is by registering or like by activating your card, now you can use your card online, which means you can use it in websites like Amazon or in Netflix or in Hulu, just like that, right? Otherwise, you can't use it online. You can only use it offline, all right? By offline, I mean going to a store, card swiping area for payment, all right? So I hope you understand. Over here, once you're in this website, you need to enter your card number. It's going to be a 16-digit number over here. After you enter that 16-digit number, you need to enter your security code. So both of this information is going to be on your card. Your card number is going to be on the front part of your card, the 16 number, and your security code is going to be on the back side of your card, the 3-digit code. After you enter these codes over here, click and continue. Your card will be activated or registered. Once it's done, you can use it online. All right. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use your Netspend card full service by activating it, and that's how you guys can activate it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And Netspend is a gift card preparing company, so keep that in mind. All right. Stay safe. Bye bye.